How to fix app not installed on Android. Sometimes minor issues like these can get fixed with a simple restart, so give your device a quick restart. Once that's done, then open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and look for the storage option. If you cannot find storage option here, then click on the search icon at the top right corner. In the search bar, type in storage. Once you do that, then you will see the system storage or some options like that. Click on the storage option to see your phone storage. Make sure that you have enough storage for the app to be installed. If you don't have enough space, then clear some of the items to make space. Once you have done this, then try to install the app again. Another issue that could be happening is file with the same name. Go to My Files on your device. Click on the search icon at the top right corner. Look for the app name that you are trying to install. If files or apps already exist with the same name, try removing them. After you do this, then again try to install the app. Now open Play Store on your device. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From this floating menu, click on Play Protect. Inside Play Protect, click on the Scan option. Scan for all apps and look for any harmful apps that may be available. That's all for today. Thank you.